This is Benji Bless and welcome to my channel. Do you know that Oraimo has a lot of free giveaways for you? You can get a power bank or this from Oraimo for free. If you want to know how to redeem this product, stay tuned and watch the full video.
Your secrets, if you really look at yourself, you would be speechless. What happened to being doctors and teachers?
Yeah, so I just received a call from Oraimo that my gift, my product is here, so I should go for it. So I am on my way. I'm going to receive my product from Oraimo. So I'm here to receive my parcel from Oraimo. Here, right here. So thank you, I have received my product. Alright. So this is my product. It's free from Oraimo. So let's go and unbox it. So now I'm here to unbox what Oraimo sent to me. I don't believe this. Wow, Oraimo gave us every t-shirt. Oh my god. This is what Oraimo gave it to me. So Oraimo gave me this for free. Wow. This is what Oraimo gave me. So I'm going to put it on. Alright, so I have the dress on from Oraimo. Yes, the dress is on right now. How do I look? I look okay, so I'm going to unbox this one. Okay, so it is sealed. So wow, this is it. Okay, this is it. Can you see? Yes. After this, I'm going to show you how you can also participate in this with me. Okay. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. So this is how it's going to be. Like this. Okay, so somebody might ask, how did I get this, how they call it, headphone or earphone for free? Yeah, it's very simple. The answer is very simple. I joined an Oraimo WhatsApp group, and if you want to join this WhatsApp group, I'm going to leave the link below. I joined an Oraimo WhatsApp group, and what they do is that every Friday we try to post a question. So I joined this Oraimo WhatsApp group, and they posted something, and what they posted was that they said the Oraimo 3 comes with how many earbud. That is what I'm using for the recording right now. The sound that you're hearing is for Oraimo 3, and they're saying that Oraimo 3 comes with how many earbud, and a lot of people were saying that it comes with 6, but I was specific. It comes with 3 earbud. Okay, but the single, when you're counting a single, it is what, 6, but it comes with 3. So I answered rightly, and I'm going to show you a proof of everything that I'm saying. Okay, the WhatsApp screenshot and everything, and that was what I did. When I did that, I think the following day or so, the administrator sent me a message that I have won, and that I should come for the product. I thought this was a scam. You know, at times we join this group and they're joking this, so I thought this wasn't true. So I didn't take it serious. I answered no, but I didn't take it serious. So I was there, and the administrator told me that I should give my address detail. I was like, wow, I'm about to win. So I gave my address detail to the administrator. The administrator called me and says that my product is ready. But with this, if you're in Accra, I think it's free. But if you're not in Accra, you have to pay a delivery fee. I paid only 20 cedis, just 20 cedis for me to get this one. This is very expensive. Like, yeah, it might be expensive, but I paid only 20 cedis for the delivery, and they gave it to me for free. Okay, so if you want to join this Oraimo WhatsApp group and participate, please go down to the link and join. Okay, I'm going to leave my number to the description below. You can WhatsApp me, then I can add you to the group. Okay, when you WhatsApp me, I'll add you to the group. Oraimo is one of the best products you could ever have. So if you are thinking of buying any mobile phone accessories, you gotta think of that to buy Oraimo. Right? Their products are very, very good. When it comes to the battery life, I don't know what secret they have about the battery life, but their battery life is serious. It's very, very, it keeps very, very long. When you charge it, it keeps very, very long. I'm having this sound bar here, and when I charge it, oh my goodness, I can use it for the whole day and use it the next day. Alright, then let's talk about this one too here, the 3.3. This one too has a very strong battery. When I'm using, it keeps very, very long. It keeps very, very long. And I have the smartwatch too. The smartwatch is here. That one too, when you charge it, oh my goodness. So Oraimo products are very, very good. If you're thinking of buying any mobile phone accessories, you gotta think of Oraimo because they're the best. And if you want to win, I am saying to myself that this is the first time I'm winning this, but I'm not going to stop. I'm going to continue to answer more questions in order to win more freebies from Oraimo. You win more freebies from Oraimo. So if you're interested, kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel, and expect more content from me. Okay, because I'm going to bring you more content, an amazing one. Okay, so don't miss out this YouTube channel. The name is Benji Bless. If you have not subscribed, kindly go and subscribe to my channel. And if you like what I'm doing, you can support me. Currently, I'm not having a digital camera, so what I'm using right now is not a digital camera. I don't even have a mic, but I'm using an Oraimo 3.3 for my mic, and I'm using Samsung Galaxy A12 for the recording. So if you like what I'm doing and you want to support me, please, you can gift me with a digital camera. I don't have one, so that I can push this channel forward, okay, so that it will be at an expected end, okay. If you can support me with a digital camera and a mic and a speaker, I will be very, very grateful. So that is that. If you have any question, you can go down to the comment section below, and leave your question there. I'm going to answer right away.